So this is a Resmed Airsense 10, and it's got a problem where it's kind of whining whenever I put my mask on. Let me show you what that sounds like. We're gonna try to replace the motor in there. Looks like this, and see if it fixes it. Here's the old motor. It's a little dirty in there, but that's the main mechanical thing. So let's just see if it works. So that was the fix. You can clearly tell a difference between the before and after. So yeah, this little motor here, I'll put a link in this in the description. But I think this was maybe 50 bucks. So, okay.